This tiny bird looks like it has an egg growing on its head, but it's actually a Montezuma quail chick. These newly hatched chicks may look like baby chickens, but they're much smaller. In fact, they're only about 1 centimeter tall, almost the size of a bottle cap. One of the cutest things about them is that they love following their owner everywhere. The moment you leave their sight, they'll quickly run after you. But they're not following you because they love you. It's because you were the first living thing they saw after hatching, so they believe you're their mother. This natural behavior is called imprinting, and it's programmed into their instincts from birth. Adult Montezuma quails look very different too. Males have a unique tuft of brown feathers on their heads that looks like a slick hairstyle, while females have a much simpler appearance.